Hello everyone and welcome to a video that I always love filming with you all. It is my every month and a halfly Stitch Fix unboxing. Woo woo! The majority of you enjoy my Stitch Fix unboxings, which I'm glad about because as I said, I love filming these. I love seeing what my stylist picks out for me every month and a half. Just real quick for those of you who don't know, Stitch Fix is a fabulous online styling service. It is not a subscription, although you can set it up to kind of feel like a subscription, you know, where you choose how often you want to get a fix. You can say, you know, I don't know, and then just get a fix whenever you want. Or you can say, I want to get one every month, I want to get one every 2 months, I want to get one every 2 weeks, I think is the most frequent you can do it. Costs $20 for the styling fee, and then they send you 5 items. Could be clothes, could be accessories, shoes, that sort of thing, based on your style profile, your little style quiz that you take online. And if you keep any of the items, that $20 styling fee will go towards the items, so it won't get wasted. And if you keep all 5 of the items, you get 25% off of everything in your box. So I personally love Stitch Fix. You guys know I've been doing this for quite a while now. I do always have my affiliate link down below. It's an affiliate link, but this is not sponsored. But if you want to use that, I do believe it, well, not only does it get me kickback, but it will get you, I believe, your styling fee waived for your first box. So essentially, you can get your first box, and if you don't keep anything in your box, essentially it was all for free and was a fun experience for you. But we've got our pre-stamped return mailer envelope that you can use for returns and or exchanges if you need a different size or something. We also have our little card that will tell us all about the items inside. Oh, even just reaching in, I feel soft things. These two things especially are so soft. I also love getting Stitch Fix boxes because for whatever reason, my cats love them the most. I don't know why. I mean, aside from the print of the Stitch Fix logo on them, they're no different than any other box, but my cats choose those over any other box ever. So Stitch Fix is always a happy day for them as well. So let's see. It looked like sweater weather. Well, I mean, it is sweater weather, at least here in Minnesota, but it looks like we've got lots of sweaters. Oh, this feels so soft, which kind of makes me scared that it's gonna be like a dry clean only thing. This material may peel. Extra gentle wash. Ooh, contains recycled fibers. That's cool. They're made from waste material and thereby saves natural resources. That's really cool. So this is from Vero Moda. I have not heard of them before, but it's this really nice kind of a slate pewter baby blue, but it's got like a seafoam green to it as well. I said it is so soft. It's not completely see-through, but it is a bit sheer, which I don't mind. I mean, it looks like a really plain sweater, which is fine, you know? I like that you can wear it lots of different ways, but it's still got enough to it with that little like subtle, it's not a stripe, but you know the way that it's knit, it looks like it's got a slight stripe to it. So very exciting. Now we have something from a brand that I haven't gotten for a long time, but I tend to like pink clover stuff. I'm not so sure on this one. It feels like it would make a nice blanket. It is so soft. I mean, does even looking at the material tell you how soft it is? Oh, it is luxuriously soft. But then it's like this gray camo print, which I'm not a big camo print person. I mean, it's just a long sleeve shirt, and then it's got, I don't know what this fabric is, but it's got the cuffs on the ends of the sleeves and then that same material around the neck. I mean, listen, it's a shirt, and it's one of those things where if I end up liking the other 4 items, it would just be cheaper to keep that as well. Or who knows, maybe I'm gonna fall in love with it once I have it on my body. So we have something in this beautiful, like mauve-y baby pink that I haven't seen much really at all. Reminds me of like a eyeshadow base that I've been using a lot lately. Is this some kind of a cardigan? No, but it's a hoodie. Oh, I love this. It's like a waffle pattern. Yeah, did I get that right? Kind of. And it's a hoodie. It's literally just a really lightweight hoodie. It's got the pocket in the front, hood on the back where it belongs. Oh, this is from a brand I've never heard of before. Oh, I was gonna pronounce it Chaucer. It's Chaser. So yeah, lightweight hoodie. I can almost tell you instantly I'm gonna love this on me. Very exciting. Looks like we're moving on to another sweater. This one is from Market and Spruce. Okay, this is cute. I mean, it's pretty average. I mean, it feels like a lightweight sweater, but it's got the fuzzy, warm inside feeling anyways. It's a beige at the bottom and then a nice berry maroon on the top, and the sleeves have this pink stripe on them. I mean, I don't hate it, don't get me wrong, it's a sweater. But then something I'm very excited to put on my bod. Looks like we've got a nice pair of sweatpants here. Or joggers, I think the proper term would be. These are from Threads for Thought. Responsibly made from sustainable fabrics. That seems to be the theme this month. Slightly sad. These are slightly sheer, so you will be able to see undies through these. I'm fairly positive, which is a bit of a bummer. But they've got a nice thick drawstring waistband, they've got pockets, scrunchies at the bottom. I mean, these would just be really great casual pants. They're very lightweight. Chill around the house, but also cool enough to wear out into the world. So, let's get to trying stuff on, shall we? We shall. Alrighty, so I like these pants, but they're just the teensiest bit tight around the waist. I mean, they don't feel tight, they feel secure, but they do make me pooch out a bit over them. They fit me perfectly otherwise. But like, hey, kind of looks like I'm wearing a pajama set here with this shirt on. It is very comfy, and honestly, I like the colors on me. Like I said, camo is not really my thing. Here's the pants. I do also worry with the pants, with them being as thin of a material as they are. You know, chub rub is real, and so I would worry that these would wear through really quickly on the inside where chub rub happens. So as much as I like them, I'm probably gonna pass on them. Here's this sweater, and as I thought, it just feels really blocky on me. I mean, it fits me very well, definitely shape showing and everything, but I mean, maybe if I wore a bra that made my boobs look less uneven, that would make a difference. But just kind of where it cuts me, I don't love, and also the seaming on this would drive me crazy. I can tell you that, because it's like raised, and so you can feel it inside on the arm. Yeah, that would drive me nuts. But the thought is there. It's just not great. Oh my gosh. This sweater feels so freaking luxurious. The fit of it looks pretty good. Like, it's not so form-fitting that I'm uncomfortable, but definitely not completely schlubby either. And it's just different from other things that I own, especially in regards to the color. I can pretty much tell you already my camera's gonna hate the color of this against the gray of my walls, but it's pretty. It's very unique, being that like seafoam and light blue mix with the slate gray to it. And as I said, it just feels so luxurious and nice. I like this one. And the power of trying things on. Does this look awful on me? I can't tell. I need to go look in an actual mirror rather than just my viewfinder. It makes me look pretty blocky, doesn't it? I think it's because of the fitted band around the bottom. I mean, otherwise it's a lightweight hoodie. I do like everything else about it. Like, from here, it's me 100%. I love the texture on this. I love that it's lightweight. It's an interesting color. It's not a color that I own. I just need to figure out if I actually like the way that it looks overall. But you all can also give me that input. What do we think? Whew, alrighty. So, as I was taking the pants off, or as I took the pants off, I was able to see this sweater, this hoodie without the pants on. I think the way that the pants were squeezing me at my waist, that's what was making me unsure of the sweater, because I actually really liked it otherwise. So, let's take a peek. Oh, hello. See if we got Emily as my stylist again. I did. Let's see what she has to say. Happy Fix Day and Happy New Year. Happy New Year to you as well and all of you watching. Hope 2021 is off to a great start for you so far. I was so glad to see that you found some things that you liked in the last fix, and I've got even more amazing pieces for you to check out today. Since you loved the joggers last time, I've started today by grabbing another pair of them. These are more relaxed, a soft burnt out knit pair from T4T. Toss them on with the soft camo tee. I did. Your favorite fashion sneakers or slippers and you're good to go. You've also pulled a really pretty sky blue pullover that you can easily dress up or down. Oh my god, that's what I said. It'll look amazing. Ooh, with those olive joggers from the last fix. You're correct. Or you can dress it up by pairing it with a cute skirt. Be sure to let me know if there's anything you need in your next fix. Great! Definitely same wavelength. Honestly, a lot of these outfits I would not wear. In the outfit suggestions here. Maybe, I guess I would probably wear the ones with the textured hoodie, but I doubt I would wear either of the ones with the textured crewneck pullover. I mean, the camo top, the one with the joggers in the picture I would wear just lounging. I would absolutely wear the green backpack, gray shirt, leopard sneakers look with the joggers, but then the color block varsity stripe top, no, those outfits, no. Okay, now let's see what kind of damage we got going on in here in terms of prices. The camo top, I'm actually shocked. I think this is a great price. It is $38, which I could absolutely see this selling for retail. I guess maybe I'd put it between $35 and $40, but I mean, that's exactly where they put it with 38. Color block sweater is $40, which I mean, for the quality of it, it does feel like nice sturdy material, so not bad. Granted, I'm not gonna keep it because I don't like it on me, but this one is painful. This is $58. I do not think this is worth $58. I could see this selling retail between like $38 and $45 for sure at like a Macy's or a Nordstrom. But oof, $58. Of course, I like the two most expensive things. Then this blue sweater is $54, which it is a really, really luxe feeling material, and I love that it's made out of recycled fibers. Joggers, if these fit me better, I would absolutely keep these as well. These are only $44, which again, I could definitely see them retailing for about $45 retail at a Nordstrom or something. The fit just wasn't great on me. You know, see, I'm getting better. I was about to say, if only I were a little skinnier, if only I lost a little weight. No, it is not my body's problem. It's the clothes problem. Just because one piece of clothing is a little too tight on you in one area doesn't mean that your body is at fault or that you need to lose weight. So I definitely might have to choose between the two sweaters. Although here's where it's crazy, because if I keep those two sweaters, it's $112, you know, minus the styling fee, so I guess it would come down to, what is math? $92. But then if I were to keep everything and then get the discount and the 20 bucks off, it would only be $155.50. But I'm not going to spend an extra $50 on stuff that I don't need. And like I said, I don't think I'm in the spending position to keep both of those sweaters, but my leg might get pulled one way or the other depending on the comments. Or depending on how many of you sign up through my affiliate link. That is where that money goes towards, is to Stitch Fix purchases. So you don't have to. That is an option though if you want to try out Stitch Fix for yourself. Definitely let me know what you felt about these items down in the comments below. Did you like them on me? Did you not? Do you want them? Do you not? Etc, etc. Just let me know how you're doing in those comments down below. You can also let me know if you enjoyed the video, found it helpful, whatever the case may be, by giving it a thumbs up down below. I would really appreciate it. And if you're new here, hey, hi, hello, how are you? You can go ahead and subscribe. You can tippity tap that notification bell down below and become a member of my casserole family here on my channel. I'd love to have you here. And as always, I just hope you guys are all doing well. And until next time, just stay well until then. Bye!